Hey there, Rhonda Shaffer here, living in the historic Erie Canal area near Fairport, New York. Thank you for watching this entire video today, which is day 6 on the 6th of the series 10 Days and 10 Struggles for New Affiliate Marketers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you don't miss a beat when I go live and create a valuable content just like this for you. Days 1 through 5, I briefed you on new affiliate marketers on having patience, mindset, investing in yourself, shiny object syndrome, and list building. Today, day 6, this video will be about email marketing, which gets your message out to your new clients and subscribers so they can get to know you. There are 3 areas for focus here. The first, always thank your new clients and customers and let them know what will happen next so there are no surprises. 2, automate a follow-up series of emails which are sent out daily. And 3, after that, your autoresponder will send daily broadcast emails which you set up. Part of the course you buy will teach you about how and what to write, and not only will you get examples to reference and put into your own words, there will be done-for-you copy to help you get started and accustomed to storytelling and education. The storytelling is basically sharing your experience, strength, and hope with your audience so they can get to know you as a person. I have inserted a link below this video to the autoresponder that I personally use and recommend for most beginners. It is budget-friendly, easy to learn, and simple to use. And you can always reach me if you need me. So with that being said, this is Rhonda coming to you live from the historic Erie Canal near Fairport, New York on my birthday. I want to thank you for watching this video today and hope to see you tomorrow for day 7. Meanwhile, leave a like, comment, and click on the link below so you can get some free information online about affiliate marketing and to wish me a happy birthday.